So, Harsh, why has data discovery and classification become a foundational requirement for a successful AI adoption?
So I think one of the biggest misconceptions currently is that around Gen AI specifically is that organizations they believe that the challenge is selecting the right AI model, whereas in reality, the success of any Gen AI initiative or any implementation depends far more on the quality, the visibility, and the security also of the data that is being fed into that model.
Right,
So
right.
that is why data discovery and classification has become, say, a foundational requirement of any Gen AI adoption. So before any organization can safely use Gen AI, it needs to first understand what data
Okay.
it has, where the data resides, who owns it, and how sensitive it is. If you don't have
Yeah.
that visibility, then the risk of exposing personal data or confidential business information, it becomes a regulatory challenge for AI systems. And data
Yeah.
discovery and classification, it also plays a key role in data governance. So one aspect, of course, is data quality. That is, Gen
Mm.
AI models, as we know, they're only as good as the data that they consume or the data that they're trained on. So any DDC tool will help identify the duplicate, obsolete, or any inaccurate records or any data that has been poorly governed so that organizations they can improve the quality of the training data set and hence the overall model performance as a prerequisite as can be enhanced. So the second aspect, of course, to this is data security. Once any sensitive data that has been identified and classified, the organizations can then apply the appropriate, say, PETs, or privacy enhancing technologies, such as your encryption or tokenization or masking within the AI pipeline or, whenever data is stored at rest. So various solutions can then be selected according to wherever the data is residing or how it is being used in the pipelines. And then this also ensures that sensitive information it remains protected even when it is being accessed
Mm.
by AI applications or shared across any environments. So I think before asking how do we deploy Gen AI, organizations should first ask, do we know what data we have, how trustworthy it
Mhm.
is, and how well it is
Yes.
protected? So DDC tool provides this foundation and it enables the organizations to build successful Gen AI initiatives that are not only effective, but also secure and compliant and correctly governed.